Dear students, I am continuing exercise 5.3, question number 4. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means solution is the given AP is 9, 17, 25 and so on. From here it is clear that the first term, that is A, is equal to 9. Then common difference we can find out by 17 minus 9, it is 8. Now let n terms of AP must be taken so that sum of n terms is 636. We have to find the number of terms whose sum is 636. Therefore we have considered there are n terms whose sum is 636. Now Sn is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is given that it is equal to 636. Then n by 2 is equal to 2 into 9, because a was 9 and d was 8. We have put the values of a and d. It is equal to 636. Now n into, we take 2 common, 2 cancels, and we get n into 9 plus n minus 1 into 4, because 2 is common, 2 4 side 4 is there in the brackets, is equal to 636. Now it is n into 4n plus 5, because 4n minus 4 we will get here, 9 minus 4, 5. Then n is equal to 4n plus 5 is equal to 636. From here we multiply it by n, then 4n square plus 5n minus 636, we bring 636 on left hand side, equal to 0. Now we have got a quadratic equation in n. Now we split it by the middle terms, or we can say that we are to factorize it. We get 4n square plus 53 and minus 48 and minus 636 is equal to 0. n is common, 4n plus 53. From here minus 12 is common, 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Now from here we get 4n plus 53 into n minus 12. It is 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 means n is equal to minus 53 by 4. Now we will reject it. These negative numbers we will reject. Rational numbers, reject it. N minus 12 is equal to 0. N is equal to 12. Because the number, we are to find the number of terms, and it will not be in this form. Therefore we have rejected this. Therefore number of terms are 12. It is the answer. Now we come to the next question. Question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. First term is 5, it is given, means A is equal to 5. Last term is 45, means L is equal to 45. Sum is 400, means S is equal to 400. Now we know that Sn is equal to, means sum of n terms, we can say sum is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now here the sum is given 400, S is 400, then it is n by 2, A is 5 and L is 45. 400 into 400 is equal to 5 plus 45 is 50. Then it is n by 2 into 50. 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. From here we get now 2 25s are 50. Then 400 is equal to 25n. From here we get n is equal to 400 divided by 25. Now on cancellizing we get n is equal to 16. Hence number of terms are 16. Now the last term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. We can say AN or L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is 45, A is 5. Common difference we have to find out. N is 16 that we have found here. 16 minus 1 into D. We take 5 on left side, 45 minus 5 is equal to 15D. It is 40 is equal to 15D. D is equal to 40 upon 15. It is 8 by 3. That the common difference is 8 by 3.